I hope you all can see my screen and अभी मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि about intraday trading, right? So intraday trading पहले कोई स्टॉक सिलेक्ट करते हैं जिसको हम intraday ट्रेड करेंगे, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जांपल कोई वॉलेटाइल स्टॉक लेते हैं, वॉलेटाइल मींस जो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा हो, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जांपल ये लेते हैं, ठीक है? It's Bajaj Finance, fine. Now, first thing I will tell you why do we do intraday trade, right? That I will tell you. Before that, if you want to do intraday trading, change this type to intraday. Fine. Change this type to intraday. First, it was showing delivery. When you click over it, it will change to intraday. Got it? Now here it is. You can say shares NSE. This is National Stock Exchange. Okay. You don't have to worry about this anything. Okay. Then there is something price limit. Okay. Now what is price limit and price market? Okay. Price limit is before price limit, I will tell you what is price market. Price market is right now, see, it's changing with this price. Okay, the price is fluctuating, right? This map, if you can see this price, it's changing with this. It's 71925. It's changing here also, right? So if you buy at this order, okay, if I go select buy, if I buy at this order, it will get according to the market price, right? It will change. But what we need to do is select the price limit. Okay, I will make separate video why we should choose price limit. Now, in price limit, if you can see, if I place some price, for example, 7190, okay, and after decimal, I'll keep zero only. So when I buy, okay, I've selected intraday NSE, and I have to in NSE I have to tell how many shares I have to buy. Okay, so for this video, I will only have one. I will only show you one share. Okay, you can buy like how much capital you have depends on that. Okay, so abhi if you can see here, it is showing some margin. Okay, 5x margin. Yeah, right. What does this means? This means this is my balance. Okay, right now this is my balance 6,76,000. Okay, but this 5x margin means you can buy 5x. That means you can buy 5 times of your amount. Okay, आपके मान लीजिए आपके पास 10 रुपए हैं तो आप 50 रुपए का इंटरडे ट्रेड कर सकते हो. Why? Because this is what intraday provides you. Okay, and intraday is like making profit or loss in the same day. That is why it is intraday. So this is why intraday is too much popular, because of like you can have less amount and you can buy more. Okay, now let's come to the buying thing. Now what I do, I will place here 7186 right now. So what I do, I say 7185. Okay, and I will say just buy at this price. Okay, now it is showing buy order placed. It is order is not placed, only it is saying that buy order is placed. Okay, so if I go to my investment, okay, and if you can see my today's investment, I have already invested in this four. Like I've done intraday thing, not invested. I've done in intraday and booked my profit of around 8,000. Okay, now this is my open order Bajaj Finance which I placed just now. Now market price is what, 7186, and my price is what, order price is 7185. Okay, now it will get selected. It will get placed only when order price is equal to market price. Now it's same, right? So it might have got executed. Just let me check. Yeah, now see, holding zero. Now Bajaj Finance is in my intraday positions. So all other positions are booked. If you can see 0, 0, 0, 0, but this Bajaj Finance profit I have not booked. Okay, right now it's showing me profit of 3 rupees, 1 rupees. Why? Because it's changing, right? It's 187 right now, so it will keep changing. Now you have made the order. Now let's see how you will book the profit. Okay, or whatever happens, if loss happens, if it will go in red, loss will happen, right? If the price will go below. Now I will click over it. Okay, and I have bought this before, so now I will go to sell and I will select intraday one, and now I will again go to market price. Okay, I will say sell at 187. We can say if we can book the profit of 2 rupees, right? Because we bought at 7185. Now if I am placing to sell this at 7187. Okay, but right now what is it? Its price is 7180, right? So we are making the loss of 2 3 something rupees, right? Now I will sell at 7187. Okay, sell order placed. Okay, so sell order is placed. Now if I refresh it, because see, I don't need to refresh, order is booked. Why? Because it touched 7187. Okay, not 7188. So 2 rupees profit is booked. I hope you understand. मैंने 7185 पे खरीदा और 7187 पे profit book किया. So that is what is showing the profit of what, 2 rupees. So I hope you all understand what I tried showing. Okay, if any issues you can just comment in the comment section and let me know. And I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what is actually intraday trading and हम क्यों करते हैं intraday trading, because of this 5x margin. Okay, you got my point. So if I have this much amount, so if If you multiply this much amount with 5, it will be approx 30 lakhs. So I have 6 lakhs in my account, but I can do intraday trading worth 30 lakh rupees. Fine. I hope you got it. And it's not about, there is one more advantage, that is, even if market falls, okay, if even if the stock goes down, then also you can earn in intraday market. That is known as short selling. I will show you that in next video. And I hope you like this video. Even if you gained a small knowledge out of it, please do like and give a subscribe and share to your friends who are also interested in intraday trading and stock market. Thank you for watching my video.